Hello everyone, this is Fine from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the Samsung QN700C, which is the ideal 8K TV you can upgrade. The Samsung QN700C is the 2023 8K TV at the bottom of the new QLED TV hierarchy with 8K resolution. But that doesn't mean the TV doesn't deliver a good picture. It's an entry-level 8K TV. It is also used as mini LED backlighting with proprietary quantum matrix technology. And this TV allows you to significantly increase the brightness range of the TV and improve the contrast between light and shadow. Samsung's Neural Quantum Dot 8K processor is capable of enhancing the overall TV picture, and 4K movies can be upscaled to 8K resolution. The aesthetics of the new Samsung QN700C TV are thoughtful and make a very good first impression from its appearance. It becomes clear that we are dealing with a high-end TV as it has a very thin profile and an aluminum base, although 1.81 centimeter thick, making it ideal for wall mounting. Also, the back is completely flat without any flex, so there won't be much lift of the wall, just like the Samsung QN700B. The TV can be hung with a standard glass mount or Samsung's official slim fit mounts. The profile of the case still has perforations in the frames, which gives it a different shape. But on the 700C, the edge is not silver but black. The base in turn is still central, but now it is not black but gray. The QN700C series comes with a one-connect junction box that houses all connections. It can be left attached to the back of the base and placed separately. This module connects to the TV with a single cable. So if you leave the QN700C on the wall, you will see only one cable. The one connect box has all the audio and video ports as well as power. So the QN700C TV has only one connector for connecting to the module itself. And you will also note that the premium build quality. The QN700C models are Samsung's first step into the 8K range and are a good option for anyone looking to upgrade to that resolution without spending so much money. But on its own, it's an 8K TV with simplified specifications than the excellent QN800C. First, it has a mini LED backlight with LEDs 40 times smaller than the LED and QLED models. It also features hundreds of backlight dimming zones for finer lighting customization. On the other hand, this translates into a reduction in the appearance of glooms and halos in the presence of a dark background and a very bright object. And on the other hand, this is an improvement in the depth of black shades and an increase in the brightness of light ones. Another advantage is that only the new QLED line has a spotting bit brightness gradation. This refers to how the TV shows the grayscale. That is, now it is broken not by 1024 sections like a conventional LCD TV, but by 1600/384. In fact, this will allow you to enjoy better detail in dark areas so that blacks do not disappear and the brightest areas don't seem burnt out. The peak brightness is 2000 nits in the brightest mode, making the QN700C ideal for viewing in brightly lit rooms. All this, it has an anti-glare filter to minimize the influence of reflections from lamps or windows. Now, for the differences that I think make it worth upgrading to a top-end 8K or 4K new QLED model like the QN90C. First of all, the QN700C series doesn't have an ultra viewing angle filter. Instead, it includes a wide viewing angle filter. This is a filter that does not give the same result as the QN90C, QN95C, QN800C, and the QN900C models that have it. Therefore, at an angle, the TV will look good, but not as good as this type of models. On the other hand, the image processor is Neural 8K Lite, which uses artificial intelligence to better upscale lower resolution sources. But in fact, this processor is inferior to the QN800C and QN900C 8K series processors, which have a built-in processor that uses neural networks for pixel-by-pixel image enhancement. Consequently, the level of texture and detail will be slightly lower. No less important is the fact that the Samsung QN700C TV panel is not 120 Hz but 60 Hz. Consequently, the moving image will not be as smooth and blur reduction setting will be lost in the clarity settings options. If you want to use your TV as a gaming TV, you need to take into account that QN700C series does not have full HDMI 2.1 ports. However, it does have a motion accelerator turbo feature that uses a motion estimation, compensation algorithm, and dynamic update technology. The result is improved motion clarity in games and an attempt to mimic the effect that would be achieved with a real 120 Hz panel supported by VRR and FreeSync, but not in the premium version. The operating system is still Titan, but in 2023 it is version 7.0. It got some improvements and interface changes. Of course, there's still the Gaming Hub menu, which gives you access to thousands of cloud games that you can play without a physical console. From this menu, you can use the Xbox, Atomic, and NVIDIA GeForce Now service. Later on, the Gaming Hub requires an active subscription to these platforms and the addition of game controller. You can connect an Xbox, PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 controller, as well as some compatible universal controllers to your Samsung QN700C TV. The Samsung QN700C also features Smart TV. It allows you to split the screen and view two sources at the same time, such as an antenna feed on one screen and YouTube video on the other. That being said, unlike more high-end 8K models, we can only see two screens instead of four. Android mode is the same as before, allowing you to leave the TV on and show pictures, photos, and other goodies. The new Titan 7.0 also features Samsung Health, which offers plenty of free exercise content to keep you moving at home. And you can also set up Bixby, Alexa, or Google Assistant. If you want to use a digital assistant with Blurred, you can control the TV with your voice through the microphone built into the remote control. In terms of sound, QN700C has an integrated 4:2 channel 60-watt audio system. This is another difference from the top model 8K 800 QN800C. The latter has upward firing speakers to provide more sound, something this QN700C lacks. The TV has an OTS light object audio tracking feature. It makes sure that the sound is emitted directly from the location of the object. Finally, I will mention another very useful feature. This is Q Symphony. In 2023, version 3.0 is released, which includes improvements in with Q Symphony. You can add a comfortable Samsung soundbar and enjoy sounds from the bar and TV at the same time. In the connections sections, the module integrates 4 HDMI ports, but they are not full HDMI 2.1. At the same time, there is no way to play in 8K or 4K at frequency of 120 Hz, but only 60 Hz if you are a gamer. And it's important to you, your best bet is to upgrade to the QN800C 8K or QN85C 4K models, which already have 4K 120 Hz playback capability. The QN700C has a dual tuner, so you can record one channel while watching another by connecting an external hard drive. Another feature that is requested by many viewers is dual Bluetooth, thanks to which you can output sound to two devices at the same time. There are also 3 USB ports, USB-C for the camera, digital optical audio output, LAN port, and antenna jacks. Each channels can be viewed through the module in the CI slot. Wireless is Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth version 5.2. Finally, there is a connector for the one cable. Samsung QN700C, I would say, is the ideal model if you want to upgrade to an 8K TV, but don't have the budget to buy the QN800C series. You will get excellent contrast and brightness to this QLED panel with mini LED backlight and premium design. Of course, you need to keep in mind that this is a model with more basic features since it doesn't have a 120 Hz panel. The audio system has fewer speakers and there is no neural network image processor or ultra wide viewing angles filter. If you are a gamer and want to play games on a large TV, then you can choose the QN90C series. So what's your thought? Please write in the comments below. That's it from now. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. I have another channel named Tech Gaming Villa, where I upload similar kind of tech videos. Please visit this channel and subscribe for update. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.
To change your